So this is the smoker thing I was telling you about that works very similarly to a biomass boiler. So we've got a hopper here, and in it are just the wee like wood pellets, which are also used in biomass boilers. So there's a hole down at the bottom there. You can't see it because these pellets are in here, but there's a wee hole down in there where they get fed into, and I'll show you how that happens. So in here, all the like barbecue stuff has been taken out, but so the hole in that hopper like is on the other side of this, and then there's an auger here, which is basically like a big screw that propels stuff forward. So the screw thing, the auger in here, turns and brings pellets with it into this little chamber here. So this hole here is where the pellets come out, and just down below it, you can't really see because of like the muck in here, but just down below that there's like a wee glow stick. Oh, glow stick's not the right term, a wee fire. It's basically like a rod that glows really hot. And then, do you see the holes on the side here? The air that comes in, or the air is like fed in, there'll be like a fan that feeds this air in here. So then you've got your fuel coming out here, you've got your heat source here, and then you've got your air, and then that just burns away. So that's where the like the combustion actually takes place. It would be probably similar in a biomass boiler, but here, well, over here we've got our chimney for the smoke to come out. Over here we've got our thermostat, so it, like, I'm going to say talks to, but yeah, it communicates with the auger, so it's recording the temperature. If this needs to heat up more, then it's going to tell this to go a bit faster and put more of the wood pellets in here, or if it needs to cool down, depending on what temperature it is and what temperature it needs to be at, it's going to do the opposite. So it's going to slow down and less wood pellets are going to end up in here, and then that's how the heat would be controlled. So you can hear that it has switched on now, and the noise you can hear is the fan blowing the air into that chamber. And you can see now that as the auger is turning, the pellets are starting to get like spat out into the chamber. Now the heat source isn't glowing yet because this was literally when I had just turned it on, but it's gonna switch in a little second now to once it has been running for a few minutes, and you'll see that obviously there is combustion happening because all of a sudden now there's lots of smoke being produced. So this little clip of video here was maybe 5 minutes after I turned it on. So that's it. Very, very similar to a biomass boiler. So I thought that would be a good way for you to see what's going on. I'm going to say firsthand, not quite firsthand. Okay.